Hey guys, and thank you for joining me. So, finally, the festival season is here, and I'm so happy that I'll be playing with the different colors and different eyeshadows, and I'll do a different look on this festive season. And this look is inspired by Navratri slash Garba. As you can see, I have a matha patti and the earrings on me. You can accessorize yourself according to your choice. And accessories make a world of difference. And yes, this is the look I have come up with. If you want to know how to get this look, then please continue watching. Anyway, I'm going to prep my eyelid with some eyeshadow base, and the product I'm using here is from the MAC, which is called the Soft Ochre. First I'm applying with the brush, and I realized that with fingers it blends really well. You can see I'm blending with the fingers and preparing my eyes for the eyeshadow. Now taking the Juvias Place Masquerade mini palette, this is the one palette you ever need in your life. This has all the colors you want. So I'm going to take that brick brown shades and applying on the crease area and just above my crease, because I'll be doing a cut crease, so I want that color to show on my crease when I'm going to cut the crease. So I'm taking the color little by little and adding to my eyes till I get the desired result. I'll be blending till that time. Taking that chocolate brown color from the same palette, I'm going to take it on the little bit lower than the previous eyeshadow, and I'm going to blend it till I get the desired pigmentation. Now taking that magenta purple shade, I'm going to put that on the previous eyeshadow and going to define my crease further. Now taking the clean blending brush, I'm blending the edges so that there'll be no harsh line. Next, I'm going to cut my crease with the help of the concealer. So I'll be placing a concealer on the lower lid, and then I'm going to look up. In that way, it's going to help me that where my crease is, and it will give me an idea to cut my crease further. I'm not setting my concealer here. I will let it be the way it is, and I want the tackiness to be there. And I'm going to take that bronzy gold shade, and I'm going to place it with the help of the shader brush in on the top of the concealer. The concealer is tacky, and it will give the maximum pigmentation of that foil eyeshadow. Next, I'm going to create a cat wing with the help of the angle brush, and the product I'm using is from the MAC, which is called the BlackTrack. Whatever the product I'm using in this video will be down in the description box for you to check it out, and I'm also going to leave the link of each product to buy, so you can directly click on the link if you're interested in buying any of the product. Here I'm removing the scotch tape, and this is how the eyes look. I'm adding a mascara to my lashes, and I'm also applied a pair of false lashes from the PAC Cosmetics in the number M74. And later I'm going to take a primer. You should never skip a primer, because primer acts as a barrier between your foundation and your skin, so your skin will be protected, and it also gives the longevity to the makeup. And I'm blending it with the help of my fingers, and later I'm going to take a Fit Me foundation from the Maybelline, and I'm going to blend it with the help of the damp sponge. Now taking the Colourpop concealer, I'm placing it under my eyes, the bridge of my nose, cupid bow and my chin, and also on the forehead, and I'm going to let it sit. Until that I'm going to move my to my brows, and for that I'm going to use a collection kit, and I'm taking that brown eyeshadow to fill up my brows. If you let that concealer sit on your skin for 20 to 30 seconds, it gives you the coverage more than the usual. Now taking that eyebrow setting gel from the NYX, I'm setting the hairs of my eyebrows in place. This makeup is pretty much waterproof. Even you dance like your heart out, this makeup is not going to budge. Obviously you'll sweat if you dance like crazy, but this makeup, I promise, this makeup will not budge. Next, I'm going to take the NYX contour sticks and I'm going to contour my face, and I'm contouring my jawline, the whole of my cheeks, nose and temple of my face, and I'm going to blend it everything with the Real Techniques face expert brush. The contouring is very important, especially if you're round face. The contouring gives a lot of dimension to your face. If you don't have a high cheekbones, it give an illusion of high cheekbones. It define your face, it frame your face. Now taking that banana shade from the contour kit, I'm going to place it under my eyes so that it will set my concealer in place and it will not budge. Now using the same kit, I'm using the bronzing color, though it's a contour kit, but the powder itself is so warm that it's perfect for the bronzing. And I'm going to bronze my face. I'm going to warm up my face a little bit because after putting a concealer and foundation, the face looks quite flat, and this is going to just warm up the face. Further, I'm taking the banana powder and I'm going to clean up my contour, and I'm doing the reverse contouring. This will give the sharp look to my contour. Now I'm taking the clean powder brush and I'm removing the excess powder sitting on my face, and I'm kind of blending everything on my face so that everything should look like come up like one, and it's not look like a line on my face. And I'm taking that big fluffy brush just to blend everything together. Now taking that chocolate brown shade, I'm going to place it on my inner corner, not inner corner, my lash line, just to balance out the entire eye look. I'm placing it very gently and kind of smoking it out and connecting it in the outer corner of my eyes. Now taking a Kajal pencil, I'm placing it in the waterline of my eyes. Now taking the same eyeshadow palette, I'm going to grab that champagne shade and I'm going to place it in my brow bone and my inner corners. As you can see, there is a constant changing of the lighting because I feel very much in the natural daylight, and when I was filming this video it was a very dark and gloomy outside, so there may be a change of lighting every time. So now I'm grabbing a Milani brush. The shade and everything will be down in the description box. I'm taking a stippling brush just to blend the blush on the apple of my cheeks. Now taking the MAC highlighter in the shade called Global Glow, I'm placing it on the usual areas where the light hits first. That is the cheekbones, bridge of my nose, cupid bow, chin, and a little bit on the forehead. Now you can go crazy with the highlighters if you're just a highlighter freak. I'm not using too much of highlighter because my face is right now very much bumpy, and I just don't want to give a more attention to the bumpiness of my skin, so I'm just skipping that too much of highlighter. And here I'm lining my lips with the help of the pencil, and the pencil I'm using here is from the MAC, which is called Vino, and I'm also going to fill my entire lips with the same lip liner. Now the lighting has changed. Here I am filling my lips with the Chambord liquid lipstick. The liquid lipstick is transfer proof and it stays on your lips for a very long time. And I'm also going to apply a mascara to my lower lash line. And I'm going to accessorize myself with a Nykaa and earrings. And this is how the finished look is. Let me know your thoughts about it. How do you like it? And you want me to create a more look in the Durga Puja, and there's so many festival which is coming up. And also let me know what kind of look you want to see next. And with that we come to the end of this video. Make sure to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and give this video a big thumbs up, and I will see you guys in my next video. Till then, take care and bye bye.